Hello friends, welcome to Sharon's Top Sitavi recipes. Today I am going to make tomato chutney, that is sweet chutney. I have taken tomatoes, 4 big ones, some sugar, ginger cut up, salt, this is called soap that I am going to use, bay leaves and green chilies, and some mustard oil. If you like my channel, please subscribe, share, comment. Now let us start the recipe making of the sweet chutney with tomato. I will put in some oil, mustard oil, put in the soap, put in the ginger, put in the chilies, put in the bay leaves. Put the tomatoes in. Put in the salt. Put in the sugar. Put some water. And let it cook for a while. Tomato chutney is ready to be eaten. Very nice, tasty, sweet and hot.